Good morning. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas High School, Standard 3rd, subject Maths. So let's continue with this chapter number 12, Can We Share? In the last video, we have seen till here page number 174. So now open page number 175 in your textbook. How quick are you? So here divide into groups of 2 using 2 times table. So here we have to divide into how many groups? 2, and using the table of 2. Okay, let's see. So here 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So 9 2s are 18. Then again 18 divided by 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So is equal to 2. So here you can write 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. Then next 16 divided by 2. So we have to divide 16 into how many groups? 2 groups. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Then 20 divided by 2. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So 20 divided by 2 is equal to how many? 10. So 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Then dash divided by 2 is equal to 7. So here which number will come? So here 14 will come. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to how many? 14. So here you can write 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. Then dash divided by 2 is equal to 10. So here which number will come? So here 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So here 20 divide into 2 groups. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So here you can also write 10 multiplied by 2. 10 2s are 20. Okay. Then next, then 8 divided by how many? So the answer will come 4. So we have to divide into how many groups? 2. So 8 divided by how many? 2 is equal to 4. So 4 2s are 8. So you can write here 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Then dash divided by 2 is equal to 5. So if we will write here 10, so we will divide into how many groups? 2. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So you can write here 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Then here divide into groups of 5 using 5 times table. So here we have to divide into how many groups? 5 groups, and we have to using which table? Table of 5 times table. So here 10 divided by 5 is equal to how many? 2. 5 2s are 10. So here 10 will come. Then 20 divided by how many? So the answer will come 4. So 20 divided by 5. That you know 5 4s are 20. So you can write here 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Then 15 divided by 5 is equal to how many? Now think. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 5 3s are here. You can write 5 3s are 15. Then 40 divided by how many? So the answer will come 8. So 40 divided by 5. 5 8s are 40. So here you can write. Then 20 divided by 5 is equal to how many? 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So 5 4s are 20. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Then next, dash divided by 5 is equal to 60. So which number here will come? So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So 5 6 are 30. So you can write here 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Then 25 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So here 5 will come. So 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Then here dash divided by 5 is equal to 3. So here 15 will come. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 5 3s are 15. You can write here 5 3s are 15. So this one you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Then 35 divided by 5. 7 5s are 35. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to how many? 7. So here 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Then dash divided by 5 is equal to 2. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So 5 2s are 10. You can write here. Okay. Then 20 divided by 10 is equal to how many? So here we have to divide into groups of 10 using which table? 10 times table. So this one is easy. You can also write yourself. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. 10 2s are 20. Then 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So 10 3s are 30. Then 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. 10 4s are 40. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. 10 5s are 50. Then here 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. 10 4s are 40. So this one you can practice at your home. So this is your homework. You have to count yourself and you have to write this one in your fact book. Okay. The next page, page number 176 in your textbook. Try this. So let's try. So this one we will see in the next video. Okay. So this one you have to write in your textbook and you have to write in your fair book. So how to write, so that I will send in the PDF, so like that you can write. Okay. Thank you.